Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Today we have the Air Jordan 5 Silver Tongue. And I am sort of irritated on a couple of things about these shoes. And I'm going to tell you why. So this is nothing new at all. These were released last year during the summer, and you might say that this is the fire red, but that is completely wrong. This tab, I have never seen this tab before. Do you know what this tab means? I have bought the shoes via Goat, so I have paid resale, and that's another thing that I'm very irritated about. But let me get through my things of irritation one by one. So, first of all, these are not the fire reds. I don't know why people call them fire red. We have never called these the fire red. These were the first Air Jordan 5 that were released back in the days. The fire red was the fourth colorway. The second time these was released, I think it was in 2000. We just call them metallic. Probably metallic white, because the other one is metallic black. Metallic black was the second pair to be released, OG, and then we have the grapes. Then these have been released in the countdown pack that looks very similar like this, except from the 23. And the 23 we have on the fire red. But let me show what the fire red looks like. So yeah, the fire red has a red sole and black tongue and has the 23 on the side. So these are not the fire red. We call them silver tongue, maybe. Some call them silver tongue. White metallic, whatever. But these are not the fire reds. They have never been called the fire reds. The fire red has been released several times, and they have always been called the fire red. Even the low tops with the red sole are called fire red. These are the silver tongue, and that's because of the 3M tongue that should be really nice on these. Should really glow. So that's one of the things that makes me irritated. The second thing is, why didn't I buy them from the beginning? The shoes are a bit boring to me, and the black actually looks blue, but they are from Goat. They had confirmed that they are real, but I think the black looks blue and the red looks orange. Are these really real? And it seems like they come from India. So I'm a bit disappointed about the colors, but that wasn't one of the two subjects that I was disappointed about. So just let me calm down and explain to you. These were released last summer, in 2020, I think summer, early summer. And I think they're boring, a white shoe with almost red. But I like to collect the first three colorways, the OG colorways of the silhouettes that I like. And these are one of them. I was supposed to buy them in 2013, but 13 was a bad year for Jordans. I went up to Uppsala, just above Stockholm. I went to Footage to try them, and the sizing was completely wrong. I had to go up to, I think, US 13.5, which they didn't have in store, but the 13 was too small for me, and I'm a US 12. And to be comfortable, I would need to go up to 13.5. They did not have that, so I did not buy them. Plus, I just thought that it was just crazy for me having 13.5 in Jordans. In Adidas, yes, but in Jordan, that was just crazy. So I did not buy them. When they were released last year, I just counted on them going on sale, that they would not sell out. They did sell out, but I'm pretty sure that Nike, they hide shoes. So when they notice, like after half an hour or something, that the shoes are not sold out, they put them away. They yeah, take them off the sneaker app. Because I was right, they did not go on sale in Sweden, but in US you will find these on outlets everywhere. So I was right. So a couple of months after, I asked in a sneaker group on Facebook if anyone had some DS Jordans in my size for sale. A guy wrote and told me he had these. Back then they were 3 months old, dead stock. He is a reseller. He could not sell the shoes. I offered him to pay retail. He wanted retail plus shipping, and I didn't want to give him those 15 euro extra or 16 euro extra. I wanted him to feel that he has lost the resale game. And he asked me a couple of months after that. I said, still the same answer. I can pay resale. I can pay retail if you include shipping. I don't want to pay for shipping. I don't want to pay anything extra at all. Another month went by. I asked him, do you have the shoes still left? Because then I wanted them. I said, okay, 16 euro extra, I can pay that. He sold them the day before. So I went on StockX, and there they went for like 225 euro, and the retail in Sweden was 220 euro. So that was just the same. It was used with the shipping and everything. So I put on a couple of bids, 199, and the shoe were sold for less than what I paid, what I offered to pay. And then I realized that once again, we in Europe can only buy from resellers in Europe, and US can only buy from resellers in US. And in US they go for under retail, but here in Europe, no. So I raised, and then the shoes went up to 236 euro. My offer then was 225, and they were at 236 for a long time, months. And yeah, I could have paid that, but then it comes with, then you have to pay shipping and yeah, everything else. So it went, if I would buy them now, it would go for like 265 euro, and that's too much. Then I decided to, okay, I'm gonna pay that price. Then the price was at 269 without shipping and all the costs. Okay, so I got bummed over that. I waited a couple of days. Okay, now I really want to have them because I bought a white jacket as well. So now I really want to have them. Then the price was 300 euro. And I got pissed. But I decided to pay that price on StockX. It just happened to be that I sold a Supreme sweatshirt on StockX for retail price, and they complained that the sweatshirt smells. It's a brand new Supreme sweatshirt. And I mailed them and said, that's the Supreme smell. Everything new from Supreme unwashed has a certain smell, and StockX employees should really know about that. They did not accept that. They sent me back the sweatshirt. The sweatshirt smells. There's no problem at all. So I got a little bit mad at StockX. So I went to Goat instead, and I bought them there. 300 euro plus shipping and taxes and everything. And I'm so mad about that because I had the opportunity to pay 200 euro. Well, 220 with shipping, whatever. And in US, they are on outlets everywhere. And it's a really basic, simple, boring shoe. But it looks good. As I said, the black looks sort of dark navy blue. The red is that solar red. You know, the orange red that I don't like. It should be really red. And I just hope that they are true to size. So let's find out. And there are some marks on it. The quality isn't super great. I wouldn't call them B grade, no, but as picky as Stock X are, they should not let them. I'm just mad. There are small, minor things on the shoes, but we're used to that. But I decided not to go with Stock X just because of that. I decided to go with Goat instead. The pricing was the same, just that Goat has a little bit more expensive shipping, I think. Yeah. This is my story about the Air Jordan 5 metallic, white metallic, not the fire red. So a story lesson to you. Don't call these the fire reds, because they are not the fire reds. The fire reds looks great as well. But they have a red sole, black tongue, and the 23 on the side. It's not the same shoe. Yeah, I'm using an old grumpy sneakerhead. But this is the first colorway that was released for the Air Jordan 5. Then we have the black metallic, which we call black metallic because of the metallic tongue, 3M tongue, which the Air Jordan 5 is famous for, and which I think all your Air Jordan 5 should have. And then the third release were the grapes. That is in my storage room, I just remembered. They should release the grapes again. The grapes that I have are from 2013, 12 maybe, 13 I think. And then they were released a couple of years ago with the Bel Air version without laces that everybody says is super tight, so that's why I did not buy them. But Nike, you should release the grapes in retro mastered as soon as possible, actually. And then the fourth OG release were the fire red. But now I have the trio of the OG 5s in a way. On foot, I have the flash on so you can see the 3M reflective tongue, just for fun. And these should be true to size. It's not common that an Air Jordan 5 is different in size, no matter the material. Some of them are slightly thinner on the inside, like these. I feel that the tongue and the sides are a bit thinner than other Air Jordan 5s. But the sizing is no issues at all. Yes, I have to loosen them up, but I always have to do that. But yeah, true to size, nothing weird. Feels a little bit more normal than your other Air Jordan 5, because as I said, Air Jordan 5s are way thicker than other shoes. So these are a little bit thinner on the inside, not as padded, and the tongue is a little bit thinner. But there you had the 3M effect of the tongue. So that's why we call them metallic or white metallic. That's it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for letting me air out and listen to a grumpy old sneakerhead's complaints about, wrong nicknames. Comment, let me know if you have any questions. Please subscribe, and see you soon.